गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। विजुअल बेसिक आज हम डीजी क्लास में देखेंगे। इंट्रोडक्शन टू विजुअल बेसिक।
You have been introduced with some concepts of QBasic programming by now. In QBasic, programming is done in a text-only environment, that is, using only the text. Visual Basic was developed by Microsoft and released in the year 1991. Visual Basic is very easy to learn and use, and it is similar to QBasic programming language.
देखिए विजुअल बेसिक है तो विजुअल बेसिक जो है इंट्रोडक्शन में क्या बताया गया है कि कंप्यूटर आर नाउ इंटीजर पार्ट ऑफ आवर एवरीडे लाइफ। अ लार्ज नंबर ऑफ कंप्यूटर आर being used regularly to meet our personal, social and professional requirement. You can often see a computer application working at shopping mall, bank, reservation counter, hotel, etc., school, etc. Visual Basic, developed by Microsoft and released in 1991, easy to learn and use, similar to Visual Basic.
The main feature of Visual Basic is that it has graphical user.
जो इसका सबसे बड़ा मेन फीचर है वो है GUI, ग्राफिकल यूजर इंटरफेस। ठीक है,
interface called GUI that allows users to interact with electronic devices through graphical icons and visual indicators. By using Visual Basic, you can add to your pages elements such as dialog boxes, buttons, text boxes, menus, options, checkboxes and even
क्या क्या इसमें जो एलिमेंट्स है वो कंटेन किए गए हैं। जैसे आपके पास बटन्स हैं, ओके, सामने आपको स्क्रीन पर दिखाया गया है फॉर्म्स के जैसा बटन्स है, आइटम्स फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड फोर्थ फिफ्थ, ओके, बटन्स है, कुछ आइकन्स हैं। तो ये सब चीज़ें क्या है आपका विजुअल बेसिक में एलिमेंट्स इंक्लूड किए जाते हैं।
options buttons. And all this can be done by using the menus, commands and buttons available in Visual Basic. Visual Studio also allows programmers to write Visual Basic code to get the
ये जो पॉइंट है ये हमने पढ़ा है पहले भी। जो विजुअल बेसिक जो है 2010, जो विजुअल बेसिक expressed in a offshoot on Microsoft Visual Studio 2010 express. It is freeware, occupy less memory space, contain most of the initial feature of Visual Basic and is highly useful for beginner. You can download it for free from the website www.visualstudio.com.
computer to perform these tasks. Unlike QBasic, this code focuses on the actions that a user can perform after the page or the program is complete. These actions are called events. The type of programming is called event-driven programming. In Visual Basic, an event is any action that a user can perform on the page you created. These actions can be clicking, double-clicking, typing, selecting and even moving.
कौन कौन से हमारे एक्शंस होते हैं? क्लिकिंग द माउस, डबल क्लिकिंग द माउस, टाइपिंग थ्रू कीबोर्ड, सेलेक्टिंग एन आइटम, मूविंग द माउस पॉइंटर। ओके,
the mouse pointer. In an event-driven programming, the action taken by the page or the program depends on the user. There is no defined sequence of actions. Consider that you have created a page that accepts a name and an address and prints information as a label. The way this page behaves will depend on the user's choice. If the user enters the required details and clicks print, the label will be printed with both a name and an address. But if the user leaves the name blank and clicks print, the name will not be present on the label.
मोड्स ऑफ अ विजुअल बेसिक प्रोग्राम, कितने टाइप के हमारे पास मोड्स होते हैं?
Visual Basic is a very user-friendly programming language. It allows you to create the page you want, check what the page will look like when you open it, and help you fix any errors it might have. How do you think Visual Basic does this? Visual Basic has three modes: design, run and break.
कौन कौन से होते हैं? डिजाइन, रन एंड ब्रेक। ओके, ये हमारे क्या है? modes of Visual Basic. There are three modes of a Visual Basic program. Design mode, it is the state when objects are created and logical statement for Visual Basic application are written. In this mode, the programmer has a very important role to perform. Run mode, it is in this mode, the statement written by the programmer can be executed by the end user. The application performs the task for which it has been designed. Break mode, if an application produces some error or does not show the desired result, you can stop its execution for removing error. Such a mode is known as the break mode.
These modes allow you to use Visual Basic to perform different kinds of actions. The design mode allows you to create the program or the page you want. By using this mode, you can either select the parts you want to add to the program or write the code to create these parts.
डिजाइन मोड में आप क्या करेंगे? डिजाइन मोड में आप अपने अकॉर्डिंग जो है अपने पेज को डिजाइन करेंगे अकॉर्डिंग।
After you have completed creating the program or the page you want, you can use the run mode to check if the page you created is
जो पेज आपने क्रिएट किया है तो आप उसमें रन कराने से पहले आप रन जो है मोड में उसको चेक करेंगे
working properly. If the page is not working properly or if it has any error, you can use the break mode. You can use this mode to check and fix the program or the page you created.
तो अब हम बात करेंगे कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ विजुअल बेसिक। ठीक है, कौन कौन से हमारे जो है कंपोनेंट्स होते हैं? कौन कौन से होते हैं? टाइटल, मेन्यू, टूल, फॉर्म विंडो, प्रॉपर्टी विंडो, ये सारे क्या है? हमारे कंपोनेंट्स हैं।
Visual Basic 2013 comes as a package in the Visual Studio that is created by Microsoft. Let's take a look at the common components of the Visual Basic window that are being used while creating projects in Visual Basic. Like most programs, the blue bar at the top of the Visual Basic window is its title bar. The title bar contains the name of the open program. If the program is not named, the default name of a program is displayed.
या जो हमारा टाइटल बार होता है वो क्या बताता है, वो आपकी एप्लीकेशन के नेम को एंड फाइल के नेम को क्या है वो शो करता है. ओके अगर आपने अपनी एप्लीकेशन फाइल का नाम नहीं दे रखा है तो वो डिफ़ॉल्ट में जो होता है एज इट इज़ वो आपको ऊपर टॉप में विंडो के शो करता है. यानी कि जो अभी जो स्क्रीन पर आप हाईलाइटेड पार्ट देख रहे हैं वो है हमारा टाइटल बार.
The area below the title bar is called the menu bar.
या जो यहाँ पे हाईलाइटेड एरिया है वो है आपके टाइटल के नीचे, वो है मेन्यू बार. मेन्यू बार ओके. मेन्यू बार हैज सेवरल मेन्यू टर्म items and sub menus. You can use these items to get access to various options which help you to develop the application.
You can click any item in the menu bar to show various menus. These menus contain the commands you can perform in Visual Studio.
ये जो आपका मेन्यू बार है ये क्या करेगा, ये आपको डिफरेंट टाइप्स की कमांड प्रोवाइड करता है जिसकी हेल्प से आप क्या करते हैं, विजुअल बेसिक में काम कर रहे हैं.
The area below the menu bar is called the toolbar. This toolbar contains buttons of some commonly used commands.
ये है आपका टूल बार. अब टूल बार में क्या कंटेन होता है, सब जो आपके कॉमनली यूज होने वाले बटन्स है, अंडू स्टार है ना. सो ये सारे अंडू रिडू, ये सारे क्रॉप रिसाइज जो है ये आपके टूल्स हैं, टूल बार है.
Clicking a button performs the command. The area below the toolbar is divided into 3 sections.
अब ये जो एरिया है जो टूल बार के नीचे शो हो रहा है ये 3 सेक्शन में डिवाइड किया गया है.
The first section contains the Toolbox tab.
ये क्या है आपका टूल बॉक्स टैब.
When you click this tab, the Toolbox pane is displayed.
जब आप इस पर क्लिक करेंगे तो जो ये आपका टूल बार है, ठीक है, यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा, डिस्प्ले हो जाएगा ऑप्शंस.
The Toolbox pane contains buttons of all components, such as buttons, labels, and list boxes that you can add to your program.
आप यहाँ से जो चाहे वो ऑप्शन जो है वो उठा के आप ऐड कर सकते हैं.
These buttons are commonly known as controls. The large white area to the right of the Toolbox pane is called the form window.
देखो फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड एंड जो स्क्रीन पर ये शो हो रहे हैं ये क्या है, ये फर्स्ट पेन है, ये सेकंड पेन है, ये थर्ड पेन है.
This is the main area of your program and represents a form or a page of your program. The controls in the Toolbox pane are added to this window. The area to the right of the form window contains 2 windows that are stacked vertically. The window on the top is called the Solution Explorer window. This window contains a list of all the pages present in your program. This window below the Solution Explorer window is called the Properties window.
ये क्या है आपकी प्रॉपर्टी, ये है फॉर्म विंडो, ये है आपका टूल बॉक्स एंड ये है आपका वर्क एरिया.
The content of this window changes depending on the control you have selected from the form window. The Properties window lists all the properties of the control you add to the
जो भी आप ऑप्शन यूज कर रहे हो तो उसकी जो प्रॉपर्टी है वो यहाँ पर शो हो जाएगी.
form. These details include the color, size, data, and action that are associated with the control.
When was Visual Basic developed by Microsoft 1991. Which of the following is the features of Visual Basic? Graphic user. Which of the following contain the control that we use of Visual Basic?
Identify the components labeled A through F of Visual Studio. The components of Visual Studio are labeled
Menu, Solution Explorer, Property window, Form window, Toolbox pane and Toolbar. Visual Basic was developed by Microsoft in 1991. It is a similar of Quiz Basic but has a feature of graphic user interface. Visual Basic uses event-driven programming to create programs that are based on user action. Visual Basic 2013 comes a part of Visual Studio. Visual Studio uses the design, run and break modes so that you can create, run and fix error in your program. The basic component of Visual Basic include a title bar, menu bar, toolbar, toolbox tab, form window, solution explorer window and the properties window.